open Shimmer and Shine Bottom. So let's open one. I'm gonna open this and you open the wrapper. Come on.
Okay. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That many? That's a lot. Can I have one?
That's all mine.
It's all yours.
Yeah. Now let's see what's inside. Let's open that one first.
Oh. What's that?
Shimmer!
Yeah. Wow.
We got reefer right here. Oh, see, it does pull out. And let's open that one first. A duplicate!
Oh, another one. The same?
Yes.
What's that one? Is it the same one again? Let's see. Whoa, what's her name?
Tala the monkey. Uh-oh. See, it does pull out.
You get another shimmer? Wow.
Yeah, those are 3.
What's that one? The same one again? Wow. So you got almost all of them the same.
Uh-oh.
Let's see. What's the last one?
I don't know. Ready?
Another one. Wow. So you got all of them the same?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. How many shimmers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And how many talas?
1, 2.
Wow. Nice.
Those are crazy. Time. Another Timmy's and another yay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.